Wait, people, look at what I have. A house. And it's not just any house, it's a Nintendo Labo house that I've built. And I tell you, it took quite a while, but it's totally worth it because it's so cool. Then I made these arms, also took quite a while. These arm gadget switches are really, really cool. I'm gonna show you a bit about them later. Put them over here. Then, of course, to make this whole thing play, you need the Switch and the Joy-Cons. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to remove the Joy-Cons. So I turn this around, and there's a little button here that I push, and then I pull. Oh, off it goes, like that. And then now this can go onto the house. It fits right into this slot right here, like that. And then I take this Joy-Con that has the button in the middle and I put it inside the chimney like Santa. And now you see things are starting to happen on the screen. There's a room, window, a TV set and some characters. Now, when we take these two, the arm thingies, you push them in. One goes in here, one goes in here. Okay, let's see what happens when we... Yay! Off it goes, and then you can go like this. Whack, whack, whack. Yeah! There are so many fun things you can play with this house, but that you need to figure out yourself. What I'm going to show you is how to decorate the house. Because although it is a cool house indeed, it is a bit plain. Look at this, you know, it's a bit dull, not so many details. I know how we can fun it up with adding some extra art. I got some stuff right here. I've cut this simple strip of cardboard. I put it here. Let's first remove the Switch and the Joy-Cons so we don't mess them up when we do the art. Now, I want to make a balcony for the house. The size of this Nintendo Labo box. So I take my strip of cardboard, I measure here exactly the same length. I make a cut here, there. Then I make two small bits that are just 1 cm and 1 cm. I cut them too, like that. And then I glue them onto the sides. Then I put it on the little strip again and then measure how big it is, that big. Draw a straight line and make a cut. Now that is the floor of the balcony. Bit of glue on the edges, on it goes. And we have a beautiful balcony. And here is one that is already dry. Then I bring the house in, checking that it fits. Oh, beautiful balcony. Then I'll go on with the glue. And on it goes, right on the logo. Then while waiting for the glue to dry, I can put on a tiny bit of tape to hold it up. Oops. Yeah, you can see what happens when you don't tape it. There, now this needs to dry. And now we need the fat lady. So I bring out a stiff piece of paper, then I measure. Yeah, I think she wants to be this wide to fill the whole balcony up. So like as big as that at least. So I draw the balcony here. It's this wide. The lady on top here. This is her face. Her here. Yeah, big boobs. Wide open eyes. Woo! Ears, arms, and her dress. And of course, her precious pearl necklace. Now, let's ink her in. And I tell you, it's not easy to draw upside down. So if I draw a bit crazy, please forgive me. So here's the nose, the mouth, chubby cheeks, ears, crazy hair, earrings, pearl necklace, big boobs, arms in the air. There. Then we erase the pencil marks and color her in. polka dots. That's always funny. Sharp. Rosy cheeks. Bit of color in the face. Golden hair. And let's cut her out. Pop her out. And now for an extra feature. We cut around the boobs. But we don't cut all the way out. We leave a bit of paper on the sides so that we can do like this. Now let's see if she fits. And boobs on the outside. Yeah, oh, perfect. Now that we know that she fits, let's decorate the rest of the house. We start with treating the roof. Here I have cut a few thin strips of cardboard. I'm gonna lay them on the edges to thicken up the edges of the roof and you know, make a little decorative frame there. That's gonna make it look so much nicer. So I add glue to the edge here. Then I lay on the cardboard strip. Beautiful. Then I do the other side. And this side. And the ones across. Final snip. Beautiful. Next we can start adding the roof tiles. Roof tiles, it's very simple. Just make this pattern all the way down. Doesn't matter if it's a bit crooked and crazy, it still looks really good. You know, it got that rustic style. Yeah, that's really nice. European rustic. Some is bigger, some is smaller, doesn't really matter. And then some bricks up on the chimney. A bit of ornaments around the windows of the window frames. Like that. A bit of wood paneling on with the brown pencil this time. Nice romantic wood paneling, European style. Oh, this is such Hansel and Gretel. And finished. Now we can add the switch and the Joy-Con. Yeah, and the dingly dangly arms. The fat lady. And we can start playing. Woo! And don't stop until the fat lady sings. Hey! I got hundreds of videos waiting just for you. So please hit subscribe for new art surprises every week.